How to buy from AliExpress in Algeria. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily use AliExpress to buy things in Algeria. First thing you're going to have to do is open up AliExpress. You don't even necessarily have to be in that place to buy from there. You can just change your location to that place to get customized products to browse through products from that location. Or if you are sending this to someone, you can just enter the location from Algeria and order the product for them. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your AliExpress app and make sure that you're logged in. The next step is to head over to your account section at the bottom right corner. And usually you'll find the flag of your country or the location at the top right besides the gear icon on the settings. But if you don't see that there, you can head over to your account section on the top left. Just tap on your profile. You'll see your address. And if you want to manage your address and add a new address, tap on manage, add a shipping address. So tap on add new address, then select your country and region. Just go ahead and select Algeria. And then from there, you can enter your contact name, contact information, the phone number, and then your specific address like your street, house, or apartment unit. Then you could enter your suite or unit. That's completely optional, but you have to enter state or province, city, and zip code. And if you want to set this as your default address, you can just go ahead and toggle this on and then tap on save. Now, once you've done that, you can just order your product to that place, or you can just tap on the country and region up top, select your country, make sure you select Algeria, select your state or region, and now everything will be changed, including your language. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.